What's happening, everyone? We are here at Lumber Motorsports the day before Bristol. We're going dirt racing at Bristol Motor Speedway. How cool is that? But the coolest part is we got our brand new toy from SCT. They sent us the SCT Burst. We got the Team F350 here. Going to be driving through the mountains tomorrow. What this will do is this maximizes the throttle response. So if you need a little bit more throttle response, a little bit more go when you push the loud pedal, this is what does it. Fully adjustable on the fly. Best part is it's simple enough to install that even I can do it. You can run it on its own, or you can pair it up with your X4, get the absolute most out of your favorite custom tune. And coolest part is we're going to be driving through the mountains and probably going to need a little bit of extra go to get there faster. So let's install this thing, see how it works. First thing we're going to do is make sure to disconnect the batteries. I thought I could skip this step, but this is important to make sure that when you hook everything back up, your pedal position sensor recalibrates properly. If you have a bigger truck, some of these vehicles have two batteries, so make sure you disconnect both of them. Get inside the vehicle, first thing you want to do is locate your pedal position sensor. Once you locate that, unclip your vehicle's wiring harness. As soon as you get that unclipped, you'll take the burst wiring harness, plug it back into your pedal position sensor, and then hook your vehicle's wiring harness back up to your burst. After all this is connected, find a place to securely mount the burst box, and then run the wiring back up to your dash panel and find a very easy place for you to access the control knob so you can adjust everything on the fly. We'll reconnect the batteries once we've got all that mounted, fire this thing up and give it a try. One of the things you might notice when you fire up your vehicle is you may not have any throttle response immediately. If this happens, just simply go ahead and shut off your vehicle, let it sit for a couple seconds, and then fire it back up and everything should recalibrate properly.
Well, I think that should do it. First time ever doing this, so this is new to me as it is to you. Let's see if I did it right. Everything seems to work. I guess now we'll see how fast she accelerates going down the highway. Let's go try it out. All right, so we're driving through the mountains on our way to Bristol, and this thing is awesome. So it is the F350, so we do got to get the turbo spun up a little bit here before you can really feel it, but that's with anything with turbo lag. So we've got the live wire vision monitor boost here. Right now we're at about 6 pounds, but check this out. I'm not even going to touch the gas pedal. We're at 0 right now. I'm just going to crank up my little SCT burst throttle control here. Watch how it just woohoo! Wow. That was 10 miles an hour instantly. And it's so cool because you can just adjust how aggressive you want it right on the dash right here the whole time. So this thing is everything they said it was. And it was the simplest thing in the world to install. Absolutely love it. So if anybody wants anything like this, we've got the SCT live wire vision. We got the SCT burst. I can't wait to get this thing on my Explorer because I think it's going to be way more effective on that, even though it's already awesome on this thing. But anybody wants some of this stuff, make sure to use the code ARPIN00 at sctflash.com. Gets you $60 off. Any purchase, $3.99 or more. This stuff is so much fun. It might get me a little bit of trouble though. Have fun. We're going to Bristol. Dirt track at Bristol.